Good morning, welcome back to Patch in the Prairie. This video will start off with something that we noticed last night. Yesterday afternoon after work, I went outside to check on our ewes, and I noticed one of them was down as I was driving up to the pasture. And so when I got there, I determined she most likely had bloat, so I quickly called my wife and had her mix up a baking soda and water mixture. And then since I was on the four-wheeler and I had our 2-year-old daughter, I decided I couldn't get the ewe onto the four-wheeler and back in the barn, and so I quickly drove back, put our livestock popper in the back of my truck, and we drove down there to get her.
Yes, just massage it a little bit. A sausage?
Massage it. Massage it.
Help neutralize all the acid and the gas.
So it'll make her start burping.
Let's see, let's put that in there better. There we go.
Does she want to drink it? Yeah, no milk's coming out.
Well, she's not making milk.
Yeah.
Why?
All right, let's see.
She seems fine, Dad. She can't stand up.
This is
No.
the best.
Because her tooth's wet.
Well, I haven't seen her have any real strength yet. There's a bunch of burps.
That's
That's
good
good.
that she's peeing.
Would the rams try to breed her?
Probably.
Did you see lambs or rams? I didn't.
You're stomping at the dog. Another burp. Oh yeah, you must be feeling a little bit better.
Sierra, no.
Sierra, leave him alone.
Yeah, and my favorite lamb is chicken out. Tank is so calm, Dad. He's just like,
Here, just give her some space now.
Emma, come here, Tank. You just ruined it.
So now it's the next morning, and we're gonna go check on that ewe. That ewe is the one right there leading the pack. So she's up and walking around and doing very well. So I'm glad to see her. She does not look to be having any ill effects from the bloat yesterday, and I think we caught her just in time, honestly. I don't know how long she'd been down since I'd been at work all day, but we were able to get her rescued and saved just in time by some quick intervention. All right, now it'll be time to finish up the rest of our morning chores. Okay, it's all right. So these young pullets are outgrowing their feeder and water capacity. So one of today's projects will be to find some bigger ones that we're not using or switch things around and make sure that they have a little bit more capacity so they don't run out of feed and water as quickly. Wait, please. So some of these pullets are still in training, and we've been trying to block off this area, but they keep finding a way in. So I'm going to move these eggs to a little bit cleaner spot. And this young flock is almost laying as many eggs as our older hens are. So that's encouraging and it's good. They're still probably only at about 60% production for. Okay, open. Open more, Tanner. Open more.
Video. Right?
No.
What?
No.
You did?
Oh, it's helping you.
What is it?
Oh yeah, got it too.
Greetings. I watched you because you got a fresh head.
Oh, maybe. You hungry? Okay, so now I'm gonna just get a new drinker and water all cleaned up, and that way I can switch around feeders and drinkers and expand the capacity for 2 different groups that we have here. So I'm just gonna give the that big feeder there. So now I just need to make a handle on here because this doesn't have a way to hang. Okay, we just got a couple chores to do this afternoon. I need to gather eggs and milk the cow. Well, that's it for today's video. Thanks for sticking around, and we'll see you next time.